Hi guys, today's video is gonna be about patching the bottom of the door jamb that had some water damage. This is a quick repair in case if you need to sell the house or you just need it patched. This particular patch will last you a few years. So this material, when it dries up, it's as solid as wood, but it's sandable. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix it to the point where it doesn't fall off the putty knife. And you might have to add a little bit of material, a little bit of powder to get it to the right consistency. And now we're going to fill in all these damaged areas with this patching compound. Basically, what you want to do, you want to fill it in until it's smooth, semi-smooth, and just make sure it's slightly above the surface, so when you sand it, you have some material to work with. It'll take you some time to get to build what you need to build there, but if you're patient enough, it's gonna come out pretty good. Alright, we are finished, and we'll let it set for about 30-40 minutes. And now, as you can see, it's solid enough for us to get it sanded. I could sand it with a grinder, but I prefer to do it by hand, because you get a better control over which areas you want to sand it. Plus, it's real tight spots in some, like between the jamb and the door. You cannot get it with a sander. You really have to do it by hand. This particular material, it sands easily, but not as easily as a drywall patch. It's a semi-solid patch, and it dries up. Like I said earlier, it's very close to wood strength. I'd say maybe a little bit weaker, or I would compare it to like a pine. So when it dries up, it's almost like a pine consistency type of wood, and you can sand it smooth, and it should be ready to get painted shortly after you sand it. There's no need to wait for it. It's ready to be sanded in 30-40 minutes right after you're done sanding. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please stay tuned. I have quartz countertop installation coming up. That's gonna be interesting video. Well, you guys have a good day, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.